What are Earth's planetary boundaries? Imagine walking on a tightrope stretched across the planet, balancing carefully to keep everything stable. That's similar to what Earth's planetary boundaries are trying to do. They are 9 key limits that help us understand how much we can change the environment without causing serious damage. These boundaries act like safety lines for the planet, showing us where we should be cautious. If we cross these limits, the planet might face sudden changes that are hard to reverse. The first boundary is climate change, which relates to how much carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are in the air. Too much greenhouse gas makes the planet warmer, changing weather patterns and melting ice caps. Next is biosphere integrity, which is about the variety of life on Earth. When too many species disappear or ecosystems get damaged, it can disrupt natural processes that keep life going. Land system change involves how much natural land is converted into farms or cities. Excessive land use destroys habitats and makes it harder for animals and plants to survive. Freshwater use focuses on how much water humans take from rivers, lakes, and aquifers. Using too much water can dry up these sources, affecting both people and wildlife. Biogeochemical flows refer to the cycles of nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. When we add too many fertilizers to farms, it can pollute water and harm aquatic life. Ocean acidification happens when carbon dioxide from the air dissolves into oceans, making the water more acidic. This hurts creatures like corals and shellfish that relying on calcium to build their shells. Atmospheric aerosol loading involves tiny particles in the air from pollution. These particles can affect climate, cause health problems, and change rainfall patterns. Stratospheric ozone depletion concerns the ozone layer that shields us from harmful ultraviolet rays. When chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons damage this layer, more UV rays reach the Earth, increasing risks of skin cancer and harming ecosystems. Lastly, novel entities include new chemicals and materials like plastics and pesticides. Some of these can stay in the environment for a long time and cause harm. Scientists have found that humans have already crossed 6 of these 9 boundaries. This puts the planet at risk of sudden shifts that could be hard to fix. Staying within these limits means living in a way that keeps Earth's natural balance. For students learning about geography and global issues, understanding these boundaries shows how our daily actions impact the world. Interactive activities like mapping local pollution or simulating how pollution spreads can make these ideas more real. When students see how their choices affect the environment, they become better global citizens who care about protecting our shared home.